Foundation Function Introduction, Pile Layout. Draw Pier Cap. This command is used to arrange pile caps on the plane. Click the Draw Pier Cap function. Select the type of pile cap. Enter the corresponding parameters according to the schematic diagram. After inputting the shapes and dimensions of the piles and columns, you can click on a single point, an axis intersection, or the centroid of a column to confirm. Select the columns that need to insert pile caps. Pile cap layout completed. Draw piles under walls. This command is used to draw piles under the walls in the plan. Click the Draw Piles Under Walls function. Select the type and parameters of the pile in the dialog box, then click OK. Select the starting point and the end point for pile layout at the midpoint of the wall line. Choose whether it is an arc wall. Pile layout beneath wall completed. Draw piles. This command can be used to arrange piles at any point on the drawing. Click the Draw Piles function. Select the type and size of the pile. Click on the drawing to pick the pile insertion point. Insert piles continuously as needed. Free pile placement completed. Multi-Pile Pier Cap. This command can be used to generate pile caps based on the arrangement of piles that have already been drawn arbitrarily. Click the Multi-Pile Pier Cap function. Select the form and edge distance for arranging the pile cap. Select the piles to be arranged with the pile cap using the mouse, and confirm with the right button to complete the drawing of the pile cap. Multi-Pile Pier Cap layout completed. Pile diameter ratio. This command is used to measure the pile diameter ratio. Click the Pile Diameter Ratio function. Select a pile and another pile to measure the pile diameter ratio. The command line automatically prompts the diameter ratio of the two selected piles. Pile diameter ratio check completed. Pile count. This command is used to count the number of piles. Click the Pile Count function. Select the pile to count the number of piles, then press Enter. The command line automatically reports the total number of piles within the selected area. Pile count completed. Delete pile. This command is used to delete piles in the plan view. Click the Delete Pile function. Select the pile to delete, then press Enter. The program will delete all the selected piles. Pile deletion completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.